learning how to make brownies. Hey guys, my name is Kayla. Welcome back to my cooking show. But welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe down below so you can see more of my amazing videos. Just kidding. This setup is really bad. The camera's a little crooked. Both of my lights are different heights right now, and the lighting's bad, so we're just gonna roll with it. I'll fix the camera in just a second, but like just to do this intro, like, yup. So, if you're new here, my name is Kayla and I'm a stoner. Just kidding, but not really. So I am going to smoke before I do this. We are going to be baking brownies today. So this video is inspired by Tana Mojo. She's like my favorite YouTuber of all time. But anyways, I kind of like thought of this a while ago actually. Not even just like baking, but like actually making food while I'm high, because like the only time I really like to eat is when I'm high, to be honest. So if you want to know what I'm smoking out of, I am going to roll a blunt. I normally use the White Owl White Grape. I know people are gonna be like, oh, why do you get the ones with tobacco in it, blah blah blah. First of all, sometimes I like mixing the tobacco, and I know it's bad for me, but like I feel like it gets me more high. I just like the process of cutting the wrap, rolling it, like I don't know, I just like it. I have new nails, so it's probably gonna be a little bit harder for me to roll, but you guys won't have to watch that because I'm gonna do that off camera. I went to a different gas station and I got white peach, which I've had before, but then they have blue raspberry, which I've never had before, so we're gonna be using this one because it seems fun. I'm gonna do that, and then I'll be back. I just wanted to say, like, this literally smells amazing. Also, like, I was gonna do the funfetti cupcakes that Tana did, and I have those as well, but I just feel like I can't mess up brownies. Like, I'm kind of a little bit worried because I've never baked while I was high before. I used to bake all the time, but I don't anymore. I don't even cook anymore. Also, another thing I wanted to say is it literally works out perfectly because it's like 1:30 right now, and I have to be to bed at like 3 o'clock, 4, because I work an overnight tonight, so I have to be into work at 11 p.m. But it works out perfectly because I literally am gonna film this video and I'll already be high, so like I'll be probably tired, hit the bed, and then wake up, and then I'll edit this video at work because nobody's gonna really be there. Okay, so before I light this up, I'm just gonna get out the ingredients that I think I need because I don't want to be searching for them while I'm like high. Okay. I'm going to use this pan that I bought. Isn't this bowl so pretty? Like, my mom got it for me. I'm just gonna stir the brownie mix in this. It's gonna look really disgusting. But it's like holographic, so cute. Also, Mom, if you don't want to see me high, don't watch this video, thanks. Love you. But yeah, this is super cute. Oh, it's dirty. Let me just wash it. So I do have like the funfetti cupcakes thing. I kind of want to do that while I'm drunk or something, even though I don't really get drunk that much anymore. Like this video if you want to see that. So this is what I'm going to be using today. It's milk chocolate brownie, Duncan Hines. I don't know. But yeah, it just looks like this. Yeah, so on here it says I need, for fudgy brownies, use 2 eggs. For cake-like brownies, use 3 eggs. I don't know what I want. Do I want cake brownies? Okay, I'm gonna do eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch a tiger by his tail. Looks like we're doing 2 eggs, a 1/4 cup of water, and a 1/2 cup of oil. I think we have oil. I don't need butter. Guess not. Well, I don't even know if we have butter anyway, so. Simon! He literally just jumped off a stool and it fucking landed on the floor. Great. But I need eggs, so we're gonna get the eggs. And I'm gonna get chocolate chips because I like putting chocolate chips in my brownies. I have these Great Value semi-sweet chocolate chips. I have the same ones, but they're like running out, so I'm gonna use the rest of these, and then I'm gonna use these. Cool. Oh, I need Crisco. So I literally like put everything out for myself that I need. Cool. Also, I have like no counter space, so I'm literally using like my big ass table. Yeah, that's all I have, and I'm not gonna be using that because that's pathetic. Let's be real. Here we go. By the way, this is probably the worst blunt I've ever rolled because of my fingernails, so I'm sorry. Not that you're gonna be smoking it with me, but like, let's go. By the way, it's fucking hot in here because I had to turn the AC off because it's really, really, really loud. So yeah, I'm dying. I have the fan on though, but it's not really doing much. I get so scared, like the fire alarm's gonna go off. So we are doing a cooking video. Okay, oh my god. You know, like that feeling where it like just starts to set in? That's me right now. Okay, directions, that's where we start. Preheat oven to 350 degrees for metal and glass pan. 325 for dark or coast pan. So is this, I think this is metal. It doesn't tell me, but I think I feel like I'm being so stupid right now if that's not metal. Doesn't metal look like something? Okay, that's metal. That is metal, okay. Anyways, okay, we are going to take our Crisco and grease the bottom of this pan with wax paper. I don't know if anybody else does this, but I don't have like the spray kind. So you literally just take wax paper. Look at me being a mom, even though like probably all of you know how to do this. And then I have like this kind of Crisco. I feel like this Crisco isn't really ideal, and I definitely like the spray kind better. And I don't know why I didn't get the spray kind, but like my parents used to get this kind, so this is what I'm used to, and it's just a lot of extra work, a lot of extra steps. Yeah, I think I should get the spray kind next time, but we're just gonna take this and put it on our wax paper. Oh god, that is a lot. Anyways, you're gonna take your pan and you're gonna put in the, oh yeah, that's a lot. We're gonna smear that all around there. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to preheat the oven, but yeah. And then you're gonna wanna get the edges too, because you just have to so it doesn't stick to the edges. Okay, maybe that wasn't too much. That was a good amount. Look at me go. Okay, now we're gonna throw this bad boy out. And we don't need the Crisco anymore, so we're gonna just put that back in the cupboard. Yeah, we have to preheat the oven, and honestly, this might not work because our oven hasn't been working lately. Ever since they cause our fridge was tipped, something was wrong with it, so we had to adjust it, and they adjusted it underneath it, like the maintenance guys, and we think that they accidentally unplugged the oven. We think it's like half plugged in, half plugged out. We're gonna do what, 325? No, 350, because this is metal. We can put it in between 325 and 350. Okay, empty brownie mix, eggs, water, and oil into a large bowl. I forgot to get the oil out. I'm gonna do that now before I get too stupid. Thank God this was easy to find. I always throw things out and put things away while I'm doing it. That way it's less of a mess to clean up afterwards. But I need the box though because this has the directions on it. I need a half cup of oil. This is so perfect. Spencer is so organized. Okay. Yay! And then we need water, but we only need a 1/4 cup for that. I'm literally so stupid. This could have stayed so clean and I just smashed it in the fucking brownie mix. Annoying. Ugh. Why do I like this? 1/4 cup of water. Here we go. Cool. All I need is eggs, so we are going to crack the eggs. Fuck, you know what I should have done? We have pans in the bottom of the stove and they're not supposed to, fuck, they're gonna be hot. Cause that's where we keep our pans. Ow. Mission complete. Cool. Let's crack the eggs. We only need 2 or 3 eggs. Do I want cakey brownies? No. I think I want the hard brownies, sort of. They're a little chewy, and then I want them to be have those chocolate chips in it, so it feels like chocolate chunks. So yeah, I'm gonna make it less cakey. I just bought these pans, guys, and I'm excited about it. I have never had one of these circle pans before. Isn't this cute? I can make cupcakes with this. I haven't cracked an egg in so long. Okay, we cracked it. Oh god, this is a mess. Wow, I didn't get any eggshells in that. Wait, maybe I did. I cracked it on the top. What is wrong with me? Okay, that I think I may have gotten some eggshells in, but it's fine, it's fine. We can live with it. We're just gonna take a spoon. I should have put these in a bigger bowl. Or I can just put these in here and mix them in with this, duh. And then we're just gonna mix it at a weird angle. We're just doing it so I can mix this in it, because I didn't want to mix it over there. That would be so much work, and I wouldn't even have to move the camera. I wouldn't have to move the tripod down. You know, it would be just so much work to do that. Why didn't I do that? We're here having a midlife crisis. You know what? This is my house. I can sit on the table. Ooh, this looks so good. Do you guys eat the leftover brownie batter. This is like an arm workout, literally. Like, I hate it. My oven just turned off. My oven also doesn't beep when it's like ready. It's falling apart just like my life. Ugh, I need to go to bed soon. Why am I doing this? Do not let me forget to put a timer on my phone for the brownies. Wait, how long do they need to go in for? How long do they need to go in? How long does brownies take to bake? That was not a sentence. I need to set a timer on my phone because I will forget they're in there. My oven also doesn't have a timer. This is not enough brownie mix. These are gonna be really fucking thin brownies. Oh wait, maybe not, I don't know. Guys, look at this. It's like so thin. I mean, they rise, right? But like, it's literally like on the bottom. Like, what is wrong with me? I hope these turn out okay. Now for the chocolate chip. I have a little bit extra. I hope this works out okay. So we're just gonna put the chocolate chips in. There's this thing. So how do you open your semi-sweet chocolate chips? Like, Haruki opened it wide open like this, right? No, you open it like this, Haruki. But like, this is so much easier to like pour out, like less of a mess. You're welcome. Oh my God, that whole brownie is chocolate chips. I need to fix this. You know what? Maybe I want a whole brownie of chocolate chips. I'm gonna do that. You know what? I'm gonna do a whole side of chocolate chips and then the rest is gonna be a few chocolate chips. Oh my God, what? There's so many chocolate chips falling out. So this is what it like looks like. As you can see, like some of the chocolate chips are right there and then some of them right here. Still don't know how long to put them in for. Ooh, this will be so good with ice cream. I'm gonna call my dad and ask him. Call Dad.
Calling Dad.
Hi. Just a quick question.
Yeah.
So I'm making brownies and it doesn't tell me on the box how long to put them in for. How long do I put them in for?
What's the make?
Duncan Hines.
Should say right on the back. Usually 20 to 25 minutes.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Alright.
Alright.
Love you.
Thank you. Love you. Bye.
Bye.
I feel like he knows I was high. I don't even know if he knows I like smoke. He knows I used to. I thought that these were the measurements, so it does say the measurements for the pan size, but underneath it, it says the time. I'm so stupid. So yeah, 20 minutes. I was wrong. Now I'm just gonna eat the brownie mix. This is really good. I haven't had this since I was a kid. This video is actually like a lot of fun to make, to be honest. So good. Yeah, so I guess I'll be back in like 13 minutes to check on the brownies, y'all. Okay, so like I just noticed something. One, we don't have aluminum foil anymore. So I don't know what I'm gonna cover this with. I have wax paper, but that's not gonna do it. Also, my oven isn't working. I'm annoyed. Okay, it's back on. Woo! Annoyed. It's been 20 minutes. I'm not sober. I thought I was, but I'm not. But anyways, it's been 20 minutes and I'm gonna take them out of the oven now. Ow, jeez. Those are hot. I'm still hot. 350 degrees is very hot, everybody. Ooh, these look good. Ooh, these look really good. I did a good job. Okay, we gotta check if it's maybe just a little bit longer, I'm thinking. Let's put you back in the oven. Sorry. We're gonna name you Petunia. We're gonna put her back in for 3 more minutes. I really just named my brownie pan Petunia. Water, yay.
If I take you down, would you really hold me down and be your best friend?
Oh, okay, I think it's probably better now. It looks better. I have full faith in you. Look like this. I'm so happy I made brownies, yes. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe as well. That'd be great. Yeah, and then also pray that these brownies are good. And I also have Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. They're all xkaylandx. If you want to follow me on there, go ahead and I will see you in my next video. Bye.